today. This is me once again, Beth, and we are here right now at Nissan Cebu South. At sa araw na po na ito, ipapakita ko po ang aming napakabagong sasakyan, our very own Nissan 370Z. Hopefully guys, sa mga naghahanap ng sports car or gustong tumingin at bumili ng sports car, please take a look at visit our office. Po siya sa adjustment ko, but for all the sizes, kung ano, there you are. Pwede mong balik ibat eh, pwede mong balik. Okay? So, mas komportable ako sa ganitong position. So that is it for today. Thank you.